Hi guys, welcome back, and today we get into the last function in the maths category or the mathematics category that we have. That is the mod function. Now, mod is nothing but the remainder in when you are trying to do a division. Yeah. So the mod function retains the remainder after number is divided by the divisor. The result has the same sign as divisor. Okay, so if you remember, we have done the arithmetic operator where you divide this by, suppose I want to divide the expenses, I want to know how much expenses I incurred per quantity. So I get 7.5. Yeah. But if I try to divide 1100 by 150, I may get some odd answers. But there would be a remainder. So I may have this double sign. In arithmetic operator, we have seen percentage symbol giving me the remainder. Oh, let me see if I've done anything wrong. You have this mod function. Where you get the remainder. So the how do I get into the remainder is by the divide sign. It gives you the quotient. So if I try to divide a particular number, so let me make it a bit simple. So 5. So I have these two numbers specifically, suppose 5 and 2. Let me convert this to number. I do not want to get into a topic. So yeah. So if I divide 5 by 2, I get the quotient. So this is 2.5. So if I multiply 2 by 2.5, you get 5. But usually when you divide 5 by 2, the multiple of 2 is 4. So the remainder that will be there is 1. Yeah, so 5 minus 4 is 1. Yeah, where you get 2. How to get 0.5? How do I get 0.5 is when I add a 0 to 1, I have to put a point. That's an arithmetic way of doing it. Yeah. So 2.5 is what you get when you put 0 to it and then divide it. But the remainder as a plain division, the remainder is 1. Yeah. Now to get this remainder, you have this mod operator. Yeah. Mod, you have to give the numerator, which is the number, and the divisor, which is 2. And it will give you, it has to be comma, it will give me the same answer, which is the remainder. So this is the point that I wanted to convey. Mod, what it does, it gives me the remainder of that particular number which is being divided. So if I try to divide 100 by a 750 by 100, it should give me 50. So remaining quantity, it should give me remaining quantity. So seventh mod of, so okay, let me first show you the syntax. So it is mod, you have to mod, you have to provide the number and then the divisor. Yeah. So if I have to use the mod function here, where the number is 750 and my divisor is 100, it should give me the mod as 50. Let me see. I have, okay. So mod of 4. Yeah, you can see this. So if I try to divide 750 by 100, so in multiple of 100, I have 700. And 700, if I divide by or remove 700 from 750, I get the remainder as 50. Same way I can do it here, which is again a 50 as remainder, because 150, if I try to multiply it multiple times and get it here, the answer would be 1050, which is, if I subtract it by 1100, I get the answer as 50. Let's see, the remainder is 0, because if 50 can be directly divided, 400 can be directly divided by 50, there would be no remainder. For 200, it should give me, oh, sorry. For 200, it should give me 150, because it's 50 short of 1600. Yeah. Same way, if I try to divide 250 by 0, let's see what happens. It will give me a division error. Yeah, because the divisor cannot be 0. There has to be some number by which it has to be divided, or it will give me a division error. Yeah. So this is how mod function operates. It gives you, in a very simple way, it gives you the remainder of the division that you do on a particular value. Yeah, pretty simple. Hope I was able to make this formula, the function clear. Hope the concept is clear. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Comment if you want me to cover any topics in this 365 days of Excel journey. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because that's how you're going to get all these videos notification when I upload them on YouTube. And yes, subscribing will also keep me motivated towards creating such free content for everyone. Thank you so much.